very into it. Favorite thing.
Can you hug your baby, Juliet? Can you give a good big kiss and hug to your baby? Oh, good job. Nice kiss.
Oh, you love your baby.
Good job.
There's a delivery for Juliet this morning.
Oh, special delivery. What is it?
It's a purple car.
Oh.
Here,
Hey, Gigs, can you show us your standing? Can you show us your standing?
Wow!
You did it!
All right, look at that.
Good job.
Wow, good stand. Oh, you can take a step to
Want to take a step?
Yeah.
Want to take a step to Daddy? Oh, yeah!
Yay! How's that feel?
Whoa! Whoa! You're okay.
Good job, Juliet.
Okay.